Ukraine's president came to Washington looking for arms to bolster his country's forces.
This is a momentum to finish Russia's war against Ukraine.
But first, comments about his appearance. Volodymyr Zelensky wore a suit jacket for his third meeting after criticism for dressing too casually in his first visit, which quickly descended into a shouting match.
I don't think he liked it.
This time, President Trump noticed.
And I think he looks beautiful in his jacket.
Yeah?
Is it beautiful?
But at the heart of discussions was the supply of Tomahawk missiles to Ukraine. The long-range weapons could let Ukraine strike deep into Russian territory. But Trump was hesitant, a shift after days of suggesting he was weighing up the idea of tapping into U.S. supply.
Tomahawks are a big deal. But one thing I have to say, we want Tomahawks also. We don't want to be giving away things that we need to protect our country.
Trump quickly posted online after the meeting that it was time to make a deal, saying property lines have been defined by war and guts, and let both claim victory, let history decide. Zelensky left talks empty-handed but called them productive and is believed to have then spoken to European leaders on the phone.
We trust the United States. We trust the president that he wants to finish this war. And it's difficult. It's a very tough solution.
Trump, touching down in Florida after the meeting, says he is certain he's on track to arranging direct talks between the Ukrainian leader and Vladimir Putin, though the Russian leader has not yet shown any interest in meeting with Zelensky.